do some pulls with the drag radios on. Probably only gonna do maybe second to third, maybe twice, or maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Nothing too crazy. It's really, really cold out. Not really cold out, actually. It's only 49 degrees, but roads might still be a little wet from yesterday, so we'll see how it goes. But quick pulls and finally get to see how the car moves. Construction worker too fast. Feels amazing though. Feels good. Like it just picks up and go. I'm actually really surprised. I mean, I know the tires are new, but I know that, which is what's helping it like hook a lot better. But I'm just glad that the tires are actually hooking, especially in colder weather. I mean, yesterday it was raining like crazy, and even threw some flurries out here in Mexico, so it's pretty cool. Feels amazing. I'm hoping my next videos are gonna be with some call outs and stuff, so, or honestly just see if somebody wants to have a fun run. I'm not gonna race for money or anything. I'm just up to just going out, doing like 2-3 runs, seeing how the cars go, how my car does. It's definitely not the fastest out there, but hopefully now I can keep up with a lot more cars around, so we'll see. But did a couple gears, now let's see how these races go. Looking forward to it.